And then, after experiencing all those harassments that you mentioned, you recanted what you said before the House of Representatives.
Yes, Your Honor.
Tama. So this will be your third.
Third?
And as far as the implication of Pulong Duterte and Manscarpio are concerned, this is your third testimony.
Your Honor, as far as I'm concerned, wala naman nagbago dito sa sinabi ko dito. Sa
Yeah.
iba.
But there, you mentioned having recanted what you said in the first investigation because you're experiencing already a lot of harassments. Tama ba yun?
Rika, wala po akong nirecant sa affidavit ko na kila Pulong Duterte po
In
ba?
other words, your testimony has been similar to this since the HOR investigation until your application as state witness was denied, and
Yes.
up to this time that you're appearing before the Quad. Wala nagbabago.
Wala pong nagbago, Your Honor.
I understand. Mr. Chair,
Mr. Chairman,
Senator Trillanes.
I was part of those who investigating in the Senate, and he during that press conference he just apologized to Pulong Duterte. He never recanted, and we clarified that in his next appearance in the Senate, Mr. Chairman, whether he is recanting anything from his earlier testimony. He replied in the negative, Mr.
I have nothing further, Mr. Chair.
Okay, thank you, Congresswoman. I thought you're like the ever-ready battery. Tuloy-tuloy. So, since there are no other member who wish to interpolate, unless Congressman Akop is... you recognize, Congressman Akop.
Thank you, Mr. Clarification lang po. Kasi kanina ako po yung naglabas ng 13 Chinese from the apartment. Pero meron pong nag-text sa akin, I should not confuse the 13 Chinese taken from the apartment from the 11 taken sa Domoy. Yes, 13 and 11. Would that be correct, Director Quedato and Gerald Villanueva?
Your Chair, Your Honors. Ang pagkakaalam ko lang po, yung naabutan kong briefing during the time na nasa airport po ako, 6 lang po ay doon sa Dumoy. Yun lang
Yung
po.
naman.
Opo, yun lang
Pero
po.
there
nalaman.
were, according to dito, meron pang 11 na buhay.
Wala po akong alam po doon. Wala pong briefing na natanggap ako during the time na nandoon po sa Davao, Your Honor.
Gerald Wilkins?
Negative, Mr. Chair.
Negative. So, may I know if SPO for Val Carrillo is under you or was under you during the time?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes. And did you lead the raid sa Domoy?
Yes,
For the
Mr.
record?
Chair.
And you tell us that 6 Chinese were killed, no other Chinese arrested?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. That is for the record. Mr. Chair, may I move that I think SPO for Carrillo was already will be invited.
That's correct, yes.
And may I move also that we invite Jed Pila C, currently jailed in the Cavite Women's Correctional.
Jed Pilapil C.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, there's a motion to invite Miss Jed Pilapil C in the next scheduled quad hearing. Duly seconded. Any objections? Hearing none, the motion is approved. So, Comsec, please send an invitation to Miss Jed Pilapil C via Bucor. No? I think it's under Bucor.
Mr. Chair, are we going to invite Mr. Jimmy Guban and Mr. Mark Taguba in the next hearing?
Yes, I believe they will be invited again.
then I'll be asking questions na lang later.
Okay. Thank you, Congressman Abante. Now, Congressman Paduano, you're recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Before we proceed with the last item, on the subject matter with regards to drugs, Mr. Chairman, with the request of Mr. Taguba, because of security threat, may I move, Mr. Chairman, that we request the Bucor through Yosek Gregorio Katapang for Mr. Taguba to be transferred in the House Sergeant at Arms, Mr. Chairman, until the Quad Committee has completed its investigation or until the perceived threats for Mr. Taguba are fully eliminated. So move, Mr. Chairman.
There is a motion to
Second.
request the temporary transfer of Mr. Mark Taguba to be detained at the House of Representatives Detention Facility until we terminate the committee hearing.
Until the termination of the committee investigation or the threat in the life of Mr. Taguba is fully eliminated.
So until the committee terminates its hearing or until the threat to the life of Mr. Taguba has yeah, that's correct. So any second? Duly seconded. Any objections? Hearing none, the motion is carried. So, Comsec, please.
Mr. Chair.
Before that, the chair directs the Comsec to communicate to the Bucor head, General Katapang, regarding the transfer of Mr. Mark Taguba to the House of Representatives Detention Facility. Yes, Congresswoman.
Mr. Chair, I
Luis Toro.
overlook to give the chance to Small Abellera to comment to what Mr. Taguba said about Mr. Abellera having received this 5 million. So in the interest of fair play, Mr. Chair, can we please give him a chance?
Okay. Mr. Abellera, you are recognized.
Thank you, ma'am. Actually, gina-expect ko na magsalita siya ng ganun. Dala ko naman yung affidavit ko dito na pinasa ko sa Senate. And kung payagan nyo, basahin ko lang ulit. And I think I gave a copy already sa committee ninyo about sa Senate na affidavit ko. And kung payagan nyo lang, pwede ko namang basahin, then you can review it, then pwede nyo naman akong tanungin from there.
Okay. So since, just for the record, the committee is in receipt of a copy of the affidavit of Mr. Abellera that he also gave to the Senate, Senate Blue Ribbon Committee. So yes,
Actually, Mr. Chair, dalawa yata yung pinasa ko dyan, yung affidavit ko sa Senate before nung 2017, which I have a copy. I still have a copy. And